Hi everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to deposit, or in this case how to send money from your bank account to Skrill. Now, when to send money from a bank account to Skrill is quite simple. The first step you need to take is, remember, we're using the website. So if you want to know how to do this using the app, check out our video on how to send money from bank account to Skrill using the app. So let's continue with this. So using the website, first thing you're going to do is, using your browser, you type in www.skrill.com, then you click on the profile icon at the top right corner, click on login, and then you put in your email address and your password. And once it opens up to bring you to this page, which is exactly where I am right now. Next thing you're going to do is click on the three lines at the top left corner, and then you want to send money, so you click on add money, which is the second option there. Now you see different, so you can see add money, so you enter the amount of money you want to add. Let's say I want to add 50,000 naira. So the next thing I'll do is to select payment method. So you will see the payment method you're allowed to use. Now you'll see some, it depends on the region, the country. So for some countries you will see bank transfer, you will see cards, which is unfortunately for me, it's only cards I have here, but you can see bank transfer and you see banks and cards. So for those of you that see bank transfer, I'm going to show you how to do it from your bank account. So the first step, like I said, after clicking on add money, you select bank transfer as a deposit method. Then you're going to follow the on-screen instruction carefully. You'll be asked to provide your bank details. For example, another thing again, you can decide to use this method too. Click on transfer. Yes, we choose transfer. Then you can see bank. Bank is the second option, and then you can see this is the bank. Then you put in the amount, but in this case it has to be different accounts. That's it. So you can try to use that too if you want. So let's go back. You've chosen the method you want to use. I'm using the bank transfer method. Fortunately, it's not available for me here, so I'm just going to tell you how to do it. So you've chosen your bank transfer method. First thing you're going to put it in your Skrill bank's name. That is the bank name you want to send the money to, the account number, and the SWIFT or BIC code, the unique reference number or payment ID. This is crucial. You must include this reference number when you make the transfer from your bank account. This will help Skrill identify your deposits and credit it to your account. So the next thing you're going to do is to go to your online banking portal or visit your local branch in your country. And once you're there, initiate a bank transfer to the Skrill bank details provided, making sure to include the exact reference number in the payment details or description field. The next thing you're going to do is enter the amount you wish to deposit, which is the same amount you've put in here, and then confirm and submit the bank transfer. Do not forget to keep a record of your bank transfer. You can use screenshots or transaction receipt for your reference. It's as simple as that. Now let's note that I mentioned some things. They like reference number. Always include the reference number provided by Skrill. Without it, they may have difficulty identifying and crediting your deposit, leading to delays. Then the bank account name. Ensure the bank account you are sending it from is in your own name, and then the name matches the name on your Skrill account. Skrill does not accept deposits from third-party bank accounts. Then when it comes to transfer time, bank transfer typically take about 1 to 5 business days to be processed and credited. The exact time frame can vary depending on your bank and Skrill's processing times. Now, when it comes to fees, Skrill often does not charge a fee for deposit made via bank transfer. However, your bank might have their own fees for initiating the transfer. Additionally, if the currency of your bank account is different from your Skrill's account's primary currency, so when it comes to transfer time, bank typically transfers within 1 to 5 business days, but the exact time frame can vary depending on your bank and Skrill's processing time. And when it comes to fees, Skrill often does not charge a fee for deposits made via bank transfer. However, your bank might have their own fees for initiating the transfer. Additionally, if the currency of your bank account is different from your Skrill's account primary currency conversion fees may apply. When it comes to limits, don't forget that you have deposit limits can vary based on your Skrill account verification level. You can usually view a deposit limit in the deposit section of your account. I showed you that my deposit limit then always initiate the deposit process from your Skrill account first to get the most up-to-date banking details and your unique reference number. By following these steps, you can easily send money,